The Audi Sport Quattro is back in the form of the HSR Manufaktur Type 859, a modern recreation inspired by the 1984 original. It starts with a shortened Audi B2 Coupe and features a rebuilt 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine mounted longitudinally in a lengthened wheelbase. The turbocharged engine uses forged internal components, new turbo packaging, and a new intake manifold, producing between 500 and 600 horsepower through selectable driving modes. Power is sent permanently to all four wheels through a reinforced 6-speed manual gearbox, a Torsen center differential, and a mechanical limited-slip rear differential. The car also receives carbon fiber bodywork, new front and rear subframes, carbon ceramic brakes, multi-valve coilovers, launch control, rev matching, and a bespoke interior. Production is limited to 84 examples, with prices starting at €500,000, approximately $570,000 before tax, while the first physical prototype is currently under development.